Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing good. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019. And I'm going to do a quick review about CVS. What is going on with CVS? Is there a reversal coming in? I don't know, but let's go and look at the stuff. Let's go and look at some of the information available. So before we get into that, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my viewers. Guys, thank you for your support. So what is going so far with CVS? So CVS, is there a reversal coming? I don't know, as I said, but there's some stuff that we're going to be talking about today. Earnings report. CVS will be having an earning report on May 1st, 2019. The ex-dividend date will be on April 22nd, 2019. And we will talk about CVS acquisition, Athena acquisition. So the whole transition, what is going on? Is that affecting CVS right now? I think yes, but we will look into it and we will analyze it. Okay. Now the Curly partnership with CVS, CBD sale in CVS stores. Those are things that we will talk about also, and we will get into the trade war between United States and China. How that affect CVS? I think it does affect CVS in some at some level because CVS does import a lot of goods from China. And at the end, I will show you my technical analysis. And CVS is forming a W pattern, and that W pattern is the double bottom. So we will dissecate it and see how everything is going. So let's get to the tab right away. I'm gonna go first of all. CVS is having earning on May 1st, so that is something that you have to watch out for if you want to trade CVS, or if you want to have it as a swing trade. You have to watch out for that and have that date in your mind. The second one is the ex dividend day. The ex dividend date, it is the day that CVS have declared to pay cash amount of 50 cents to its shareholders. If you are a dividend capture, or if you love dividend a lot, you can get some of these dividend by capturing CVS before the date of April 22nd. So that is it about the ex dividend date. So here's the thing, the transition for CVS. So CVS has bought Athena, so now the transition has begun. CVS have to integrate Athena in its system. So that is something that is hurting CVS right now. And I heard a lot of people saying, and some analysis, I mean, they're saying that CVS had paid too much, almost 70 billion for the deal about Athena. So the integration is going on right now. CVS might get out with a win, but we don't know. Following a favorable court decision, CVS now embarks on its mission to integrate health payer Athena. So CVS will do good, I hope, in the long run. So, but most of the time you have to wait to see what happened. You don't want to take any action, as I always said. So we will look on the chart soon and see what is going on. So the Curleaf deal, the Curaleaf signed distribution deal with CVS for hemp product. So this is a good news too for CVS. CVS will start selling most of hemp CBD product in 800 stores. So that is a good news for CVS. That will boost the sale. Good for CVS. I hope it will change things. So now the last one that I will mention about CVS is the trade war. The trade war have been hurting CVS since a while. CVS have been trading down 43% below its all-time high. This is something very bearish for CVS because the stock have been trading for almost 43%. Today, if you add today, it's almost a 44% downward. That is not the good sign. But however, CVS, we can trade it, we can swing trade it and still make a money in it. Let me show you the chart. This is CVS right here. This is the chart. This is the daily chart. I will show you some other stuff later on, but let's focus on this first, then we will talk about the rest later on. CVS, if you look at it, since the last earning is right here on February 14, on February 20, CVS has gap down, has dropped huge. There was blood on the street. Then CVS found a support at this level, and this is almost 52 level that CVS find a support and bounce off the support one more time, and CVS dropped again, and we are here back here at the same support that we got after the huge drop of the earnings. So what will happen? We will have earning in almost a month. So a month to next earning report. So almost May 6th. That's an estimation. Okay. So CVS have dropped. So it is forming this a double a bottom. Today was one of those days in CVS that I thought the stock would go up because I thought we're gonna bounce off these, but it didn't. It kept coming down, and we are hitting this support one more time. Will CVS respect this support? I don't know. Tomorrow would tell me if CVS will respect this support or not. I don't actually know. You wait till you see it. There's no prediction at certain point. But the way we look at the market, the way I look at the market, after forming this like a W shape, CVS might reverse going back up, and my first target will be this resistance right here. This will be my first target. If CVS does break above this resistance, this will be my next target. This will be the 64 bucks. Oh, yes, okay, that is where I'll place my next target. But here is the first one out of 57 point, okay, 72 level that I want CVS to come back at. But if it doesn't, if I take a position here, I will exit by then. Now, there's two cases right here, and this is something that I talk about a lot. And people, I know some of the beginners, some of the people that follow me, I'm sure if people do, I'm not sure if they do understand what I usually say. I'm sorry if I confuse you, but let me explain something to you. This stock came down right here, find a support, this red line, firm red line, find a support, then it bounce off that support, then it start dropping again. Now today it came at the support, but it bounced a little bit. So tomorrow we'll decide. But here's the thing that I always talk about that people have to pay attention to. When I do my review, I do not predict. I see the probability in the stock. I don't predict what will happen, but at 80%, at 20%, at 75%, I can see the probability of stock moving upward or moving downward. But I'm not going to tell you that, oh, this stock will drop. No, I will tell you, listen to my English. I will tell you, this stock might drop, this stock might reverse. This is how I speak. This is the English that I use in the stock market. I will never tell you, like, oh, with a confirmation, oh, CVS will drop. No, I don't know. I don't know what CVS would do, but I'm trading it. So at the same time, you need to have an open mind and see how the stock is moving. Then you take a decision. So we are at a key level right here. This level, it is a key level. So it is a sensitive level that if CVS keep dropping, it might be the fact that there is a bad news coming that some other big boys, hedge fund, mutual fund, that they knew about. So they might push the stock down, or the market makers, they want more liquidity, so they might push the stock down. Why? Because the earning is coming, because the ex dividend date, the day that CVS will be paying dividend to its shareholder is coming. So all those factors, if you look at them, there's a lot of things to consider before buying CVS. And this, as I said, this is a key level. CVS might reverse, CVS might keep going down. So what you do, usually you use alert. You put alert on the stock that you want to follow. I will make a short video on about alert. How do you use alert? And you alert that you can get notification when the stock is moving some ways. You don't want to keep watching the stock every single day. You will have eyes issue, right? Your eyes will hurt. So that's why I tell people use an alert so you know where the stock is going. So now this is a key level. If you don't catch CVS here, if it reverse, it might be you didn't play it right. But if you buy CVS here and it keep dropping, it means that you are buying a falling knife. So how do you wait? How do you trade this? You have to wait. Wait, see this week, because we have till the 22nd of April before CVS pays, almost 3 weeks from now. So start watching CVS from now and see how it's doing. If CVS keep going down, I'm gonna teach you this. I taught it okay before. I taught it before in some of my presentation. You want to wait for the first green candlestick upward, then the next green bar, you get into that. Once you get into that green bar, you place your stop loss below this support. So if CVS keep dropping, you will be stop out. It means that it's a fake reversal. Okay, that is how you play this game, because nothing is sure in the stock market. That's that's the reality. Nothing is sure. You have to play the game right. So if CVS does produce tomorrow, yeah, or the next week some green bars, you want to get in and place your stop loss below this. So in case CVS keep dropping, it might be a fake reversal. You get out and you wait. You still watch the trade. The trade might still be a valid trade. I hope you have learned something. And there's something that I don't usually talk about on the channel, but I'm gonna say today. When you think a stock will reverse, but you still have an attachment with the stock, and you think that, oh, this stock will reverse, you still want to buy or you are investing in it. What you do is you go ahead, you split your position. Let's say you want to buy 100 share of CVS. That's just an example. You split it in four. You buy the 1/4 today. It means that you're gonna buy 25 share of CVS today. Tomorrow you wait. The next week you wait. You see how CVS behave. Then you add another 25 share. You keep doing that till CVS bottom up, and it will take you back up. While doing that, you need to have a risk management as well. Okay, and you can do that every time, but just make sure you are doing it in the right way. And this W shape that I'm talking about, this might be for a swing trade. Okay, if CVS keep going, you might catch the reversal and have your first target right here, have your second one here. This might be for a swing trade. Now if it comes to investing, if you are investing in CVS, CVS have dropped almost 4% of its highs. I will show you right now. So saying that, you can think about it, because it's like you are buying it at a discount price now, but it can get cheaper. CVS can go lower again. So patience is the key. Okay, let's look at CVS. I'm gonna show you the chart on CVS on a monthly chart. Okay, this is what I did. Now the monthly chart. and you will see how CVS is behaving. Okay. Now I'm gonna go down. So here we are right now. You see this red line right here? Here we are. I mean, since the high, hold on, let me move this so you can see what I'm talking. Since the high of 112 or 113 bucks, CVS has dropped till 52 bucks right now at the day of today that I'm talking, and the volume is huge. If you look at the volume bar, it is huge. It means that there's a lot of selling pressure on CVS. I don't know the reason, but I told you some of the trade war or the stuff they are going on. I don't know, and most of the time, as I always say, I don't really care about the news about a stock. The reason is the stock itself can tell me everything. I don't even need to go and watch the news because the stock can tell me everything. I can see the news in the stock. That's why you call it price action. So CVS have been doing something really a bearish, is going downward. If you look at the chart, since the high of 113, CVS have been going down. I'm gonna say CVS is in a bear market right now. That stock, only that stock, it is in a bear market since, okay, hold on, let me see, since, okay, January, since February 2013, CVS has hit that low. That is really bearish. Okay, if you look at it, if you look at where CVS is coming from this high till this level, it is really bearish. So you want to make sure that you play CVS right. You don't want to put your money in a falling knife. Okay, so keep CVS in your watch list. I traded few days ago and I talked about it. You see, CVS was coming, it bottom up, and I bought this green bar and I took it and I made a video on it and I talk about CVS. Then we are having this a double bottom right here on the daily chart. So keep CVS in your watch list and play it right. This might be a reversal coming in. I don't know. Keep it in your watch and set up your alarm so your alarm or your alert, so anytime CVS reverse, you might get into it. I hope you have learned something. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.